Hello coffeeholics, welcome to my Craft Coffee Corner. Today I am going to share with you a requested video tutorial. Someone asked me to share my recipe for Spanish latte using instant coffee. The difference between a regular latte and a Spanish latte is the use of condensed milk. So I'm going to use condensed milk to sweeten our latte drink here. Let's look at our ingredients. For the instant coffee, I am going to use Nescafe Gold. You can use any brand of instant coffee that you have. And because this is Spanish latte, I am going to use condensed milk. I'm using Carnation. You can use any brand. I'm also going to use fresh milk. Now, if you don't have fresh milk, you can also use UHT, or you can also use evaporated milk. And that's really all we need, 3 ingredients. And we need a hot plate because we're going to make hot Spanish latte. And we also need a milk frother because we'd like it to be frothy, just like a beautiful Spanish latte. So we'll start by preparing our hot Spanish latte. We're going to make 8 ounces cups. So first, we are going to warm our milk. For the milk, I am going to use 3 ounces of milk. Well, let me turn on my hot plate first to maximum. And I need 3 ounces of milk. There you go, that's 2 ounces. And then another 1 ounce, so 3 ounces of milk into my jug. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. Now, if this was an espresso, you would need less, but because we all know that instant coffee is not as smooth as an espresso, so I'm going to double the proportion of my condensed milk. So 2 teaspoons of condensed milk into my jug. Just give it a bit of stir, and then I'm going to put it on my hot plate to warm the milk. Whilst my milk is being warmed, I'm going to start preparing my coffee. For the coffee, because this is a hot coffee and just 8 ounces, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of hot water. So froth until the mixture turns caramel brown. Okay, just 1 more swirl. Now that we have our coffee mix and my milk is warm, it is smoking hot, then all you have to do is you either froth your milk or you just pour it into your cup. And this is our hot Spanish latte, quick and simple. Now let's make our iced Spanish latte. For this, I am going to use fresh milk. Once again, I need 4 ounces of fresh milk. Two ounces and another 2 ounces, 4 ounces of fresh milk. And I need 1 ounce of condensed milk. One ounce of condensed milk is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Into my milk mix, and this is my latte mix. And then use the milk frother to froth the milk. I'm going to prepare my coffee mix. Because this is 16 ounces, is 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. I'm using a separate cup here to prepare my coffee. Add 2 ounces of hot water. Stir to combine. Wow, it is full of crema. Well, apparently this is This is Nescafe Gold Crema, so you could see the crema there. I just wonder how it gets there, but it is definitely full of crema. Pour the milk over. And then pour the coffee with crema over. So just cover the dirty spot with some of your foamed milk. And you have your iced Spanish latte. Hot Spanish latte and iced Spanish latte. Very simple ingredients: condensed milk, coffee, and some fresh milk. Wow, that is very, very smooth. My daughter now loves Spanish latte. She really loves it. And what I can say is that if I were to compare this with vanilla latte, I would think that the taste of Spanish latte is better than vanilla latte or even caramel macchiato, because it doesn't have anything extra added to it, no extra flavor. It's only milk and coffee. So it is really, really smooth. For instant coffee, this is amazing. Now let's try the iced Spanish latte. Very foamy top. This coffee is rather strong for this, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, but at least you can taste the coffee. And once again, the taste is just milk and coffee, and the sweetness of the condensed milk is just the right sweetness, not too sweet and not too bland either. It just balances the bitterness of the instant coffee. So I would really recommend this recipe for those that are looking for something new to try at home. Spanish latte café con leche. So somebody wanted me to say that in Spanish, so there you go. If you ask me between the two of these, hot and the iced Spanish latte, I'd really, really like you to try the hot version. It is amazing. The Spaniards love this for breakfast, so why not upgrade your existing instant coffee experience for breakfast using this recipe, Spanish latte. For those of you that are wanting to know more about coffee and tea, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. I post videos on all things milk tea and coffee on this channel. And for those that have not yet purchased a copy of my book, The Basic Barista, and also for those that are interested in milk tea, all things milk tea, check the description box below for details on how to order. That's all I have today. Do try these recipes at home and let me know how they go for you. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.